how to update Royal Match application. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I am excited because I will be teaching you how you can update your Royal Match application. So you can do this, alright? You can update your Royal Match application whether you're making use of an iPhone or you're making use of an Android. If you're making use of an iPhone, the first thing to do is to add to your app store. Or if you're making use of an Android just like me, just head to your Play Store and then launch your Play Store. All right. Now, once your Play Store has been opened, on the home page, move to the top part of the screen, click on the search box, and then type out the name of the application that you would like to update. In this case, it's called the Royal Match app. So yeah, so after clicking on Royal Match, you can see it. Click on it to open the option fully, and then if there is a recent update on this app, you can see that there are two buttons here for me, which includes uninstall play. Now if there is a recent update on this Royal Match that I don't have the current Royal Match application on my phone, instead of the option play, what you'll be seeing here would be updates. All right, you would see updates. So you just click on it, and after clicking on it, your Royal Match should be updated. The same thing applies to you even when you are making use of an iPhone. All right, and then your game will be set with the latest features, box faces, and would even be more interesting to play. So this is how you can update your Real Match application. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.